Hello students, today we are going to discuss brain teasers of chapter 15. First question, multiple choice questions. The length of side of square whose perimeter is 32 centimeter is one of the option we have to choose. So we are to find the length of square, perimeter is 32. To get the side, we should divide perimeter by 4, that is 32 by 4, which gives 8 centimeter. So the right answer is 8. Next question. Perimeter of the following rectangle is 800 centimeter. Means sum of all side is 800. We are to find the value of x. Then we know that the perimeter is equal to 2 into L plus B. In case of rectangle, perimeter is 800 centimeter. Length is given in meters and we have converted this in the centimeter to make both units same. So this is 250. Now 2 multiplied by 250 plus x. When we will solve the bracket, we will get like this. It became 500 plus 2x, and in left hand side we are having 800. Now 800 minus 500 equals 2x, 300 equals 2x. It gives x equals 300 by 2, 150, and that is in centimeters. And the same option is given here. This one, 150 centimeter. Now, next question. Sum of the areas of region ABC is 140 centimeter square. Means when I will get the area of A, B and C and add these three, I will get 140. We are to find the value of x. In figure A, we are given length and breadth. We can find area. 10 5s are 50. This length is 5. So all these will be 5. So in figure C, 12 5s are 60. Now this is not given to us. 50 and 60. These two makes 110. Total area is 140. If I subtract this 110 from 140, I am going to get 30. It means I know the area of this rectangle 30 centimeter square. Area is given, its width is given. We can find the length. Area divided by width. 30 by 5, that is equal to 6 centimeter. Next part. If length of rectangle is doubled, keeping the breadth same, find its area. We know that area is equal to length into breadth. When we double the length, that is if we take the length as 2L, then new area will be 2L multiplied by B, and this was the original area. So new area is double of the original area. So area will be doubled. Next question. Perimeter of the given figure we have to find. See, this length is 5. To all these are given. This one is not given. If I observe up to this length, these two parts are same. This should be 3. This is 1, so it should be 1. Now this part and this one, it will be equal to this part. So it means the length of this part and this one, its total length will be equal to 4. So let us count now. 5, 2, 7, 8 and 3, 11 and 4, 15, 16, 18 and 4, 22, 23 and 27. Let's count once again. There is some problem. Let us see carefully once again. 5 plus 2, 7, 1, 8, 3, 11, plus 4, 15, 1, 16, 2, 18, 4, 22, 23, 26, 28 and 2, 30. So the perimeter of the figure is 30. Now next question, into how many squares of side 2 cm each can you divide a rectangle of length 8 cm and breadth 4 cm? For this we have to get the number of square. We will divide the area of big rectangle by the area of square. So rectangle's area will be 8 into 4. Area of square will be side into side. 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4. So the answer is 8 squares. Next question, what is the side of square whose area is given 36 square centimeter? We all know area of square side into side, that is 36 is equal to side into side. It means we should have some answer here such that both of the values are same, because it is the area of square, sides will be same. So let us get the prime factorization of 36. I have done it here. 2 2 3 3. If I do in this way, 2 3s are 6, 2 3s are 6. I am going to get two same numbers. 6 into 6 means 6 square, and this is side square. If both are same, it implies 6 is equal to side, that is the side of square is 6 centimeter. Next question, a piece of string is 120 centimeter long. If string is bent to form a square, this is a string, and if it is bent to form a square, it means the length of string will be equal to the perimeter of square, that is equal to 120 centimeter. Perimeter we know 4 into side. From this we can get the value of side 120 by 4, that is equal to 30 centimeters. Next question, we are to find the area of this shaded region. We are given a square of side 10 centimeter and we are to find the area of this part. If on each corner there are squares of side 1 centimeter each, what will we do? We will get the area of this square with side 10 centimeter. 10 into 10, it became 100 centimeter square. When we will get the area of one small square, that will be equal to 1 into 1 centimeter square. Now there are 4 such squares, so to get the area of all 4, we will multiply this value by 4 square centimeters. Now shaded region will be equal to 100 minus 4 square centimeter, that is equal to 96 square centimeter. Now I have discussed complete question 1 of brain teasers. Second question is simple. You will do that yourself. Your homework is to complete question 1 and 2 of brain teasers. Thank you.